Okay, here we are again, taking a stop. This would be lake number 7. Look at the nice colors in the trees over there. Really hope this turns out. I can't see anything really on my screen. Again, if you have any suggestions on things I could do different or content that people might want to see that you can't get to by driving up to it, by all means, let me know. It's a nice little waterfall, much more active in the spring. Please like our videos, follow along with us. The more interest we get, the more videos